Alright, here we have Tommy, Thomas, and the Jet Engine available for sale on the SideToys.com and our eBay store. And we're going to do a little running session with Thomas and the Jet Engine with a working light. So before I run Thomas, I want to show you guys the light. And as you can see, it blinks on and off as it rolls. So now I'll get them hooked up and we'll run them. Alright, I got Thomas hooked up to the jet engine and the cargo car, so we'll turn on Thomas and we'll let him run. Alright, so we got to see Thomas run with the jet engine. Hope y'all liked it, and I'll say it again. This is available for sale on the SideToys.com and our eBay store. And on the SideToys.com, we are currently having a 20% off your first order sale. So for all new customers, it'll be 20% off your first order when you use the coupon code WELCOME20 at the checkout. Hope y'all like this video, and I'll see you in the next one.